Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV, and I'm just here to show you the new spring lineup. The first trailer in is the 26ICE. It's a 2024 Wildwood X-Lite. Nice light trailer, but a great size as well. Got a little outdoor kitchen on the outside, an outdoor fridge anyway. And what a fantastic size. Tammy, let me take you inside. Straight in, we have a nice corner bath in the back. Great size, sink outside, double bunks on top. Down below as well, we got storage space under there, space for a dog bed perhaps. Here we have nice counter space. We have microwave and stove top. We have a 12-volt fridge, so those are about 10 cubic feet. In here, what a fantastic closet pantry. Of course, we have a fireplace. We have the Versa sofa, which can turn back into a large dinette, back into a large sofa. Here we have the sit-up bed. Just a great little rig. It's called the Versa Tilt, controlled from right here. Fantastic picture from front to back. What a great space in this unit. And here I'll do a shot from the back to the front. Again, lots of room in this unit. Gonna find this one at exit 11